Welcome back to my video, Tony's phone collection. Today we're doing an unboxing of a HTC Droid Eris. This phone is on Verizon and it is untested. So here it is, let's see what we got. So it looks to be in decent shape. It looks like it has a glass screen protector on it. Where's the battery pull thing? Right here. So it looks like they were covering up the battery terminals from it turning off for some reason. Maybe it does work. I thought it said it was untested, but I could be wrong. Model number is PB00100. I'll put that on. I've been looking to get one of these for a while. I just never done it until I seen this one. I was like, yeah, we're going to see what it does. Looks to be in really good shape. Looks to turn on as well. It's got the little trackball here. It looks to be in overall really good shape as well. No flash or anything. I think this is a glass display. There's definitely a glass display. There we go. That hasn't been set up. Well, I'll have to go through this and try to bypass this, I remember. But yeah, there's a quick unboxing for it. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and stay tuned for the next one.